Nigeria is our hope. Nigeria is our father's land. We need a dedicated leader, and also we need a strong leader, intelligent and well-healthy being. Hello, all Nigerians. Vote for peace. Vote for integrity. Vote for Engineer Rabi Musa Konkoso, a man with a good vision and mission. He's care about the nation. He is the only one man last stand for solve our problem. Vote Engineer Rabi Musa Konkoso as new Nigerian president for positive change. Vote for NNPP, New Nigerian Party. This message is brought to you from NNPP Presidential Election Campaign Committee, FCT Abuja.